Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix your device when you stuck on an Apple logo like me. You can't do anything. You can go to iTunes and put on the field mode to restart everything, but you don't want to lose it. So I'm gonna show you how. First, you have to download the software named Red Snow. Sorry, you can't see. Red Snow. And when you download it, open it, and put browse. You have to download your firmware. Mine is 4.3.5, and go ahead and open that. It should say IPSW successfully identified. Go ahead and click next. Make sure your iPod wire connected to your iPod. Yep, connect. And it's loading. If your iPod is already jailbreak, uninstall, not install, but uncheck the CDR and uncheck the one right here, the battery on. Uncheck that. Check on the just boot tether right now. Yeah, check that one, and then click next. This thing will appear. It's not important, they just tell you like before you click next, after you click next, hold this for 3 seconds, and you hold the home button for 10 seconds or more. 10 seconds. After you hold both of the button for 10 seconds, let the go up the power button and keep holding the home button for I think 9 seconds or something. Yeah, let's do it. I click next. 1, 2, 3. Home button. 2, 3, 4. Crap. Let go of the power button. I'm clicking, so yep, it make the noise. Let it go. That's what happened, and you should get a pineapple logo on your iPod like that. You can go ahead and click finish, because it's the your iPod or iPhone, iPad do the work, not the computer no more. Yeah, so finish. Exit out. And yeah, just wait for I don't know, like 30 seconds, and it will run normally again. You don't have to restart everything and lose. My thing is back. Let me unplug it. Crap. So sorry. Yeah, I have to put on my password. 1, 2, 5, 6. Oh crap. 1, 2, 5, 6. Yeah, mine is like that. That's my girlfriend right there. Alright, see ya guys. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching. See y'all later.